Check 1, 2. Let's see here. Feels too formal. I want to feel more relaxed. No. You didn't say a thing. This might work. I could have done all this before I got started. Anything distracting happening? Do I like it? Are we ready to freaking go already? Well, as you could tell from my multiple false starts, getting started is the hardest part. So I started that video about 3 months ago. Turns out, finishing also difficult. That video was all about how getting started is the hardest part. I had a montage of me cleaning up my sewing space like I was gonna crush it, and that all I needed to do was just get some momentum going, and then I'd be on my way. And then 3 months went by. I had a whole vision planned for my spring and summer wardrobe. I made like an inspiration board and everything. And then I found out that my brother's getting married, which is awesome, and the wedding's in Vegas, and it's at the end of July. So all of a sudden, my entire summer plans kind of shifted, and I realized I needed clothes to wear specifically for that occasion. But I'm really excited about it. So this is what I've made first. This is the Fiore skirt in this really cute, is this tropical? Anyway, it's plants, I love plants. And this is my first make of the summer. Isn't that cute? Can you even see it? How fresh. Fresh and fresh. So that's make number 1, and then obviously I'm gonna be in Vegas, so I had to make a swimsuit. And then I went a little crazy and I bought all this swimwear fabric. Like, all I'm gonna be doing for the rest of my life is sitting by the pool. Just a simple one piece, you know. And then we have the rest of the plans. Can you see the vibe? Can you see the color palette that we're working with here? I'm really excited about it. And to start, let's talk about this bad boy. This beautiful swimwear print, I'm going to make into another one piece. Inspired by this one piece that I found on, what's the name of that store? Albion Fit. I'll put it up, but I'll put a picture of what I'm hoping to make from it. So I'm gonna modify this pattern to be a little bit more similar to the Albion suit. I'm gonna make it in this gorgeous print. Doesn't it scream poolside in Vegas? That's first. Next, I have this sort of color, what do you call this? Wheat? I don't know if you can really tell, but I'm thinking maybe I wanna make a sundress with it. I don't know. You ever buy fabric for a project and you think you're like dead set on it, and then you change your mind? What a concept. All right, next we have this sort of sagey green. I had plans to make another sort of A-line skirt, like button-down A-line skirt. I'll put a picture of what I'm thinking in this. Like, I want it to button down the front, be a little bit more like high-waisted, pleated, A-line, 1950s vibes on that. I have more fabrics to make more blouses, and I'm into the big sleeve energy. I have plans for these. So I have sort of a cream or an ivory. I have this really cute, tiny little, look at these cute flowers. And this color, this green, there's like a little bit of green, goes so well with this. Oh my gosh, I love it. And so for this one, there's this blouse I've been coveting for years and years from a company, I think it's pronounced Doen. Don't quote me on that. They have this beautiful freaking blouse. Love it, want it, need it, have to have it, can't afford it. So we're gonna try to make a version of that out of this gorgeous, like cotton, so lightweight, so perfect for summer. Now, if I could only get all of this stuff finished before the summer's actually done, that would be great. And then I think same plans for this guy. Maybe not the exact same blouse, maybe a version sort of like this one. Oh, and then for the white one, I got, oh, Mom. It's not even Mother's Day, it's Father's Day. I cannot remember what I was talking about. So I have to start over. I got this. This is the Gibson Girl blouse from Folkwear. We're having a very blousey summer. Since my brother is getting married, I decided I would splurge and I want to make my own dress for his wedding. It's in Vegas in July, so it needs to be cool. So I got this beautiful linen. Get the cat hair off of it first. I got this beautiful linen. Love the colors. It's sort of muted. I think I'm gonna make the Wildwood dress. Yeah, I think that'll be pretty. But that's the plan so far. That's a lot. That's a skirt, possibly a sundress, 3 blouses, and a swimsuit. These are my plans. Let's just look at this stack of fabric again though. So that is my summer sewing plan overview, and also my attempt to turn an absolute failure of a video into something that I have actually finished. Would really love to record the making of all of these individual items. I don't know if I'll group some of them together into one video or if I'll do each of them individually, but that is the plan. Stay tuned for the actual making of these garments. Let's see how many I can actually make before the end of July. That's a lot of makes, but we'll see how we do. That's it, I guess. How does one leave a video? How does one sign off? Do I just roll out of frame like I rolled in? Okay, bye. But I have to come back and turn off the camera.